How to programmatically convert Word DOCX to PDF using C#.net. Here we start by creating a new Microsoft Word document file to be loaded into our .NET application and converted to a PDF programmatically. In a new console application, we start by adding the proper using statements to import the .NET Word API document solutions for Word downloaded from NuGet. Then we create a new Word document object and load in the Word document we created earlier. Lastly, we create an instance of the GC Word layout object to access the Save as PDF method used to perform the conversion. Now, we build and run our application. The new PDF file has been generated inside the bin debug folder path since we ran the application in debug mode. Here we can see the DOCX file now converted to PDF. Download a trial of document solutions for Word today at developer.meshias.com.